In the vastness of space, beyond our home on Earth, there lies a cold, quiet expanse, a region of our solar system that is still largely untouched, mysterious, and remote. The Kuiper Belt, a vast swath of icy bodies that stretches far beyond Neptune, is a place where time seems to stand still. It is here, in this frozen wilderness, that we find some of the oldest relics of our solar system, distant worlds that have been shaped by forces so ancient, their stories are written in the very ice that coats their surfaces. For centuries, we have gazed at the stars, yearning to understand the cosmos. And now, through our technology and exploration, we are beginning to uncover what lies at the edge of the solar system. The journey into the Kuiper Belt is not just a mission of science, but a voyage of discovery, into the far reaches of space, and into the very heart of who we are and where we come from. In the silent darkness of the Kuiper Belt, we are reminded of our own smallness in the grand expanse of the universe. Here, in the cold depths of space, the forces that have shaped the solar system's evolution continue to act. But unlike the violent formation of planets, this region is one of survival. These ancient bodies, dwarf planets and comets alike, hold the key to understanding the earliest days of the solar system, preserving the remnants of its chaotic birth. They are like time capsules, frozen in place, offering us a snapshot of the universe billions of years ago. Yet, while these distant objects may appear cold and uninhabited, they are far from lifeless. They are worlds with stories, worlds that tell of our solar system's infancy, when dust and ice coalesced to form the giants of today. And though far from our reach, these dwarf planets continue to beckon us, inviting us to peer deeper into the past, to understand the forces that have shaped not just our solar system, but perhaps the universe itself. At the heart of this distant belt lies Pluto, once thought to be the 9th planet in our solar system, now reclassified as a dwarf planet. But in truth, Pluto's status as a dwarf planet does not diminish its significance. Pluto is a world of complexity, a world of contrasts, and most importantly, a world that continues to capture the imagination of people everywhere. When New Horizons passed by Pluto in 2015, it revealed a world that was not just a ball of ice and rock, but a world with breathtaking landscapes, vast plains of frozen nitrogen, towering mountains of water ice, and deep, dark valleys, each feature telling a story of a dynamic world shaped by both time and energy. It was a reminder that the universe is not only vast, but also alive, with worlds that evolve, change, and grow, often in ways we cannot predict. What is perhaps most remarkable about Pluto is that it defies expectations. It is a place of ongoing change. Its surface is not frozen in a time of stasis, but a world in motion. Mountains forming, ice shifting, and a faint atmosphere that expands and contracts in response to the sun's distant rays. There are even signs of internal heat, something we had once thought impossible for a world so far from the sun. Pluto is alive in a way that stirs our imagination, offering us a glimpse into the mysteries of planetary formation and the forces that govern the cosmos. Haumea, another member of the Kuiper Belt's icy family, stands in stark contrast to Pluto. Unlike the round shape we expect from planets, Haumea's rapid rotation has stretched it into an elongated, rugby ball shape, a stark reminder of the strange and unpredictable forces that act on objects in the far reaches of space. A world born not of slow, steady processes, but of the violent spinning that reshapes its very form. As we look closer, we see that Haumea's surface is no less extraordinary. Its icy exterior reflects sunlight with an intensity that mirrors the brightest stars, hinting at an atmosphere that may have once existed, now long gone. Its rings, a feature not often seen in such small objects, reveal an entirely new chapter in our understanding of how planetary systems and objects can evolve. Haumea, in all its strangeness, challenges our assumptions of what a planet is supposed to be, opening new doors to discovery and possibility. As Haumea spins, we are reminded of the ever-changing nature of the universe. Nothing remains fixed. Nothing is static. Haumea's odd shape and its rapid rotation speak to the chaos of the early solar system, a time when gravitational forces, collisions, and interactions between distant bodies led to the formation of the planets. Haumea is not just a relic of that time. It is a living witness to the cosmic forces that continue to shape the solar system. Makemake, like its companions, is a cold and distant world. Yet it shines brightly in the dark void of the Kuiper belt, reflecting sunlight with a brilliance that defies its small size. But beyond its gleaming surface lies a world that we know little about. Its icy exterior, composed of frozen methane and ethane, holds clues to a more ancient time, when the outer solar system was still in its infancy. Makemake is a world that, despite its distance and size, holds a quiet significance. It reminds us that the boundaries of our solar system are far from fixed. In fact, it is only through our curiosity and relentless pursuit of knowledge that we even know it exists. Makemake, with its frozen surface and its quiet glow, is a symbol of the untold mysteries that still lie beyond our reach, waiting to be uncovered. Every dwarf planet in the Kuiper belt speaks to a deeper truth, that the universe is far more complex and mysterious than we can ever truly understand. Each one of these distant worlds, Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Eris, serves as a reminder that we are explorers, constantly reaching beyond what we know, stretching the limits of our understanding. And yet, even as we peer into the darkness, we find ourselves constantly asking more questions. What lies beneath the icy surface of these worlds? What can they teach us about the origins of our solar system, and perhaps even the potential for life elsewhere in the cosmos? It is in the quiet, isolated worlds of the Kuiper belt that we find ourselves staring into the unknown, beckoned by the infinite possibilities that lie just out of reach. The Kuiper belt is more than a physical place. It is a profound symbol of the unknown, a reminder that the solar system we know is far from complete, that the edges of our knowledge are still undefined. In these distant reaches, where the sun's light barely touches, we find remnants of a time when the solar system was born. These frozen, distant worlds, each a time capsule, each a unique piece of our solar system's history, are waiting to tell their stories. As we continue our journey outward, as we send our spacecraft further into the cold and dark, we are reminded of our own drive to understand, to explore, and to connect the dots of our cosmic heritage. And in every new discovery, in every new image captured by a distant probe, we inch closer to understanding the grand story of the universe. A story that is far from finished, and one that, we hope, will continue to inspire us for generations to come. In the depths of the Kuiper belt, amidst the silence and cold, we find not just the frozen remnants of an ancient time, but the heartbeat of the solar system itself. And as we continue to explore the farthest reaches of space, we find that the universe is not a place of empty voids. It is a place of stories waiting to be told.